The largest desert on Earth is freezing cold. It's Antarctica. A desert isn't about heat. It's about dryness. Antarctica gets almost no rain at all, so that endless ice counts as the biggest desert, and it dwarfs the Sahara. Now picture yourself standing in the Sahara at noon. The sand could blister your bare feet instantly. It can reach 80 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to fry an egg. But wait until the sun goes down. The same desert can drop below freezing. Nights in the Sahara sometimes hit -5. You'd shiver under the same stars that scorched you. That's because sand and air hold almost no moisture. Without water to trap warmth, heat escapes fast. Your body would feel both extremes in one day. Here's something even stranger. Sand dunes can sing. Walk down a steep dune and you might hear it. A deep hum, like a low cello or engine. It happens when millions of grains slide together. The vibration can be loud enough to hear miles away. Scientists still study exactly how it works. Imagine the ground beneath your feet booming. Now think about thirst. In a hot desert, you can sweat a liter an hour. That's water leaving your body faster than you notice. Dehydration sneaks up before you even feel thirsty. This is why the desert is so dangerous. Your body simply can't keep up, but the camel can. A camel doesn't store water in its hump. The hump is actually fat. That fat fuels the animal when food is scarce. A thirsty camel can drink 100 liters a minute, and it can lose a third of its body water and survive. You would die long before that. There's a desert where it almost never rains. The Atacama in Chile is the driest place on Earth. Some spots haven't seen rain in centuries. Parts of it are so dry they resemble Mars. NASA tests space rovers there. Yet people still live nearby. They pull water straight from the fog. Special nets catch tiny droplets from a mist. Imagine drinking water harvested from clouds. Now look up at a desert night. The stars are breathtaking. With no humidity and no city lights, the sky explodes. You can see thousands of stars with your naked eye. The Milky Way stretches overhead like spilled milk. This is why telescopes are built in deserts. The dry air keeps the view crystal clear. Stand in the Atacama and you'd feel tiny. Deserts also hide ancient water. Beneath the Sahara sits a massive underground reservoir. It's called the Nubian Aquifer. The water there is thousands of years old. It fell as rain during a wetter age. Back then the Sahara was green. Grasslands, rivers, and lakes covered it. Hippos and humans lived where dunes are now. The desert you imagine was once a paradise, and it could become green again. Earth's slow wobble changes the Sahara over time. Roughly every 20,000 years, the cycle shifts. So today's sand may one day grow grass. You're seeing just one chapter of a long story. Deserts can also bloom in an instant. After rare rains, dormant seeds erupt. Chile's desert can turn into carpets of flowers. Pink and purple blooms stretch to the horizon. Seeds wait patiently underground for years. They survive the heat and the drought. Then one downpour wakes them all at once. It's one of the most stunning sights on Earth. Sandstorms are another force to respect. A big one can rise like a wall in the sky. These storms are called haboobs. They can tower thousands of feet high. Sand from the Sahara crosses the entire Atlantic Ocean. It lands in the Amazon rainforest, and it carries phosphorus, a vital nutrient. So desert dust actually feeds the jungle. The Amazon depends on the Sahara to grow. Two opposite worlds connected by wind. Think about that next time you feel a breeze. Deserts cover about a third of all land. That's a huge slice of our planet, and they're slowly spreading in many places. As climates shift, fertile soil dries out. This is called desertification. It threatens farms and homes worldwide. But people are fighting back with clever ideas. They plant trees and build walls of green. Africa is growing a giant living wall of forest. It stretches across the continent's edge. Bit by bit, they're pushing the sand back. One last surprise about desert life. Many animals never drink water at all. The kangaroo rat survives on dry seeds. Its body makes water from the food it eats. It almost never needs a sip. Your body could never pull off that trick. But it shows how life adapts anywhere. From freezing ice to singing sand, deserts amaze. They challenge your body and stretch your imagination. The next time you sip cold water, remember, somewhere, a camel is going days without it. And somewhere, flowers are waiting for rain. If these facts left you curious, subscribe to BetterNight for more wonders every week.